Hey guys, welcome back. I am Aishwarya from Digital to Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a AI talking avatar for completely free using Canva. Okay, let's get started. Open up your browser. Go to the canva.com and sign up or log in with your Gmail. After login, your dashboard look like this. Now click on Apps on the left side. In the search box, type Nero AI. Okay, this is the app we needed. Now click on it. Now click Use a new design. Then choose Video. After coming here, select your AI presenter. Okay, I am going with her. Here you need to paste the script, whatever you want to be in your video. Now, here select your language of your script language. Now, choose your avatar's voice tone based on your convenience. You can see your script preview here. If everything looks good for you, then click on the Create Your Video button. Wait until the process is complete. Okay, here we have our video. Looks good, right? But it is in plain background. But I want her to be as a newsreader. So what I am going to do is, I am going to add background like news background or any background, whatever you want in your video. Before adding background to this avatar, we need to remove this existing background in this video. To remove this existing background, click on Edit Video. Now, click on Background Remover. Okay, here you can see our existing background is removed. For me, I need news background. To change your background, go to Designs here. I want a news background, so gonna type news background here. Like you can search for any background you want for your video. Okay, I am going to choose this one. You can see that our background is added. But I can able to see that our avatar's video lighting is not matched with the background. So I going to adjust it. To adjust it, click on Edit Video, then click on Adjust. Now you can adjust its lighting tone of your avatar video. Okay, it looks perfect. Once you're done with all changes. Now it's time to download it. To download it, click on Share here. Then choose Download. Again click on Download. This is how you can create a AI talking avatar for completely free using Canva. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital to Design. Love you guys. Take care. I will see you all in the next video.